Hi everyone. In the previous video we have learnt about sectors and segments, and we have also learnt the formulae to find out the area of sector and area of segment. If we are given with just one figure, then we can directly apply those formulae and we can calculate the answer. But if you are given with combination of two or more than two figures, then how you are going to find out area of the given sector or segment? In this video we will be learning it. Let's see these three figures. First of all, we'll discuss this one. Here you are given with the combination of two concentric circles whose angle is given to you as 40 degree, and you need to find out the area of shaded region. Then what you are going to write, this is your one sector. Why it is a sector? Because it is formed by two radii and an arc. So this is one sector and this is another sector. So if I want to find out the area of shaded region, then I have to subtract the area of bigger sector and area of smaller sector. So to find out area of shaded region, you will be writing it as area of sector. Which sector? OCAO. OCAO minus area of sector, that means the smaller sector, ODBO. ODBO. Yes children, the formula will always remain the same for it, but your radii will change. Area of sector OCAO will be, the formula for area of sector will be theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta will be 40 only, pi will be 22 by 7, and what will be the r? This length which is given in the question will be your r. So you will be writing the same formula for both the sectors, but since we have two concentric circles, so this radius will differ in both the sectors. Otherwise the formula will remain same for these two. Now let's see this question children. This is a combination of triangle and a circle. Okay. So I want to find out the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region will be area of triangle plus area of circle. But this is not a complete circle. So first of all, I have to make a circle. Now, if you are adding area of triangle plus area of circle, then you see that this part is taken twice here. That means if you are taking area of, if you are including this area in triangle, then you have to, you don't have to take it in the area of circle. That means area of triangle, you will be calculating area of triangle plus area of circle, but this area has come twice, that's why I will subtract it once. So area of shaded region here will be, shaded region will be equal to area of triangle, let's say this is OAB, plus area of circle minus area of sector. Why it is sector? Because it is made up of two radii and an arc. That's why I have written area of sector. So area of triangle OAB, since this triangle is given to you as equilateral triangle, so you will be writing the area of triangle as root 3 by 4a square, where a is the length of your rectangle, plus area of circle will be pi r square, where r is given to you and this AB is given. So a is your 12, r is your 6, minus area of sector. So now this is an equilateral triangle, so this angle will be 60 degree. So indirectly you are given with the angle. That means you will be writing it as theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta will be 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7, and what is your r? This is your r, so you will be taking r as 6 over here. Let's see the next part children. Here it is given, a square is given to you and the area of shaded region is asked. These are the four quadrants which are cut from the corner of 1 centimeter each, and this is the side of the square. So how you are going to find out the area of shaded region? So here you will be finding out the area of shaded region by taking area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. So I'll be writing it as area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, and then minus this again is a circle, so I'll be writing it as area of, again it is area of circle. Now area of 4 quadrant means here, since all of these are of same radii, so we can consider it as one circle. So either you can write this as 4 into, either you can write this formula as 4 into pi. When I am finding out the area of quadrant, then it will be pi r square by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled, though it will form a circle only. So it will form a circle only. Alright. So either you can write 4 into pi r square by 4, or if you get to know that after combining these 4 will become a circle, then you can directly apply you can directly apply area of 4 quadrant as pi r square. Then it is area of circle whose diameter is given to you as 2 centimeter. So area of circle, that means area of square is side square minus area minus these 4 minus this circle. So this circle is what? Pi r square. But here r is 1 centimeter, and here again, yes, here diameter is given 2, so radius will be 1 centimeter. So again you will be taking here it as 1. So this is the formula for finding out the shaded region. Now you can put these values and calculate the answers yourself. I think you were not able to see the last step, so just take the screenshot, or you can see the last step now.